Have you been told that the world of crypto is closed off to you? Have you tried to access Binance only to find that it's been restricted? For many of us, the news of the restriction was a major setback in our journey to earn money online. But I want to tell you something important. This is not the end of your opportunity. It's the beginning of a new one. Welcome to Earn Smart Nigeria, where we reveal all earning opportunities to you without a cost. Let's dive in. Today, I'm going to show you which platforms are still fully operational in Nigeria, and, more importantly, how you can use them to earn crypto for free. Don't panic. The solution is here, and it's even better than you thought. First, let's address the elephant in the room. The reason you can't access Binance easily is because of regulatory restrictions. But what many people don't realize is that these restrictions don't affect every single crypto platform. Now, let's get to the most exciting part. The concept of earning money on these platforms remains the same. It's called Learn and Earn. The goal of these programs is to educate new users about different cryptocurrencies. In return for your time and attention, you get paid in crypto. It is not a scam, and it is not a complicated scheme. It is a legitimate marketing strategy. Here's how it works. 1. Find the program. On platforms like Bybit or OKX, you'll find a dedicated Learn and Earn section. 2. Choose a course. You can pick from a list of available courses. Each course is based on a specific cryptocurrency. 3. Watch and learn. You will watch a short educational video, typically 1 to 3 minutes long, that explains the coin and its purpose. 4. Take a quiz. After the video, you will take a very simple quiz based on what you just learned. 5. Get paid. If you answer the questions correctly, the cryptocurrency is sent directly to your wallet. It's that simple and completely free. Ready to get started? Here is your complete, step-by-step guide to earning your first crypto today. 1. Choose a platform and register. Our research confirms that both Bybit and OKX are excellent options. Choose one and sign up. The registration process is straightforward and requires a valid form of identification for verification. 2. Verify your identity. This is a crucial step for your security and to unlock earning features. Follow the instructions to upload your ID card or passport. 3. Find the earning section. Once your account is verified, navigate to the Earn or Learn to Earn section on the app or website. 4. Complete your first course. Select a course, watch the video, and take the quiz. The answers are in the video, so you can re-watch it if you need to. 5. Claim your reward. Once you pass, your reward will be sent instantly to your account. Congratulations! You've just earned your first cryptocurrency. Don't let a challenge like the Binance block stop you. The world of crypto is still open and waiting. By being adaptable and knowing which platforms to use, you can stay ahead of the curve and continue to build your portfolio, one free coin at a time. This is a real opportunity, and it starts with a single step. In our next video, we'll give you a complete, over-the-shoulder tutorial on how to set up your account on Bybit and earn your first crypto. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss this important guide.